Hello students, suppose there is a question that 5x minus 2 whole square, 5x minus 2 whole square dx. So integration is just normal. Suppose if it would have x square dx, then integration would be x cube by 3, right? This cube by 3. But one thing you have to consider, that whatever the coefficient, you have to just divide it by. Just what you did in the differentiation, you used to multiply by the coefficient of x. Here you have to divide, because this is integration, this is antiderivative. The reason I will tell you in the next video why we are dividing, because this is a questions based on substitution method, right? Similarly, sec square x would be 10x, but in place of x there is 7 minus 4x, and coefficient of x is 4, so I have to divide it by 4. This is my answer, plus you have to apply some constant value, right? Now next question, x square plus 1 upon 1 plus x dx. How to deal with this problem, because there is no direct formula or whatever. So whenever there is a in numerator there is a polynomial which having the degree greater than the denominator, then always there are two methods. One is hidden trial method, and another method is just divide it. Just divide it. Okay. The highest degree polynomial should be divided by the lowest degree polynomial. Otherwise, what I have done today, that is hit and trial method, because I am saying that if I just subtract 1 and add 1, then this will break into this one, x square minus 1 upon x plus 1 and 1 upon x plus 1. Why I have subtracted minus 1? Because x square minus 1 will be x minus 1 and x plus 1, and x plus 1 in denominator, they will get cancel each other, and you will have x minus 1 and plus 1 upon 1 plus x. And what I have discussed the first method, that you have to divide. If you divide x square plus 1 by x, even then you will get this expression. After division, you will get the same expression. Okay. So this will be quotient, and this will be the remainder, and this is the divisor. Okay. If you divide it with, suppose I am just showing you, I am dividing x square by 1 plus x. So I am just multiplying by x, it will become x square plus x, getting cancelled. Minus x is there. Okay. So I am just doing multiply by minus 1, so it will be minus x minus 1, getting cancelled, and minus 1. Right. So sorry, it will get subtracted as well as, so it will be plus 1. So my quotient is coming, so whole number x square upon x plus 1 is going to be quotient plus remainder upon divisor, right? So the same thing is coming over here. Now integration of x is x square by 2, the integration of 1 is x, integration 1 upon 1 plus x is ln 1 plus x, because we know that integration of 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to ln x, right? So this is your answer. And the next question I am solving over here. These questions are example. In denominator is x plus 2, and in numerator x plus 2, the linear equation, and there is a under root of linear equation. So whenever this kind of question, again there are two methods. One is hidden trial method, and there is I will discuss right now. I can't discuss because you don't know that substitution method. Today I am not taking that. So what we will do over here, I will just make it just similar to 3x plus 1. The numerator I will try to make similar to the denominator 3x plus 1. For that 3 is required over here. That's why I am just dividing it and multiply by 3. So it will become 3x plus 6. Now I will take 1 from 6. It will be 3x plus 1, and the rest of the 5 will remain as it is, 5, and divided by denominator. And you can see that this is root and this is power 1. So under root will left, and this can be written as 3x plus 1 minus half. Now integration of 3x plus 1 to the power 1 by 2, it will be 3x plus 1 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. But again the coefficient of x, you have to divide the integration by the coefficient of x. Similarly, n plus 1 minus half plus 1 will be plus 1, and the coefficient of x you have to divide by coefficient of x, which is 3. So all of the rest are just simplification. You have to simplify it, right? Okay, so this rest of the thing is just about simplification. So with this help, with this today's what I am what I have discussed, you can solve the today's assignment, right? And now I think the today's assignment is just only that whatever the you just integrate simply uh, what you do, but you have to take care one more thing, that whatever the coefficient of x you have to divide with that coefficient. Okay. uh, Thank you.